Hi friends, today we will talk about how to add a border around the cell in Excel. Let us start. First select the cells to which you want to add the border. Then go to the Home tab and under the font group there is an option Borders. Then click it. A drop down will open. On then select all borders. A border will be added around the cells. If you want to remove the border, then again select the cells, go to the Home tab, and then there select no border. So border will be removed. This is how we can add a border around a particular selection. So now if you want to add the border around the whole Excel sheet, then on this left corner one arrow sign is there, click on it, the whole Excel sheet will be selected. Then go to the Home tab, under the font group click on the border tab, a drop down will open, and then select the all border. So border will be added around the Excel cell. So similarly you can remove it, select the cells, go to Home tab, font group, and there select the no border from the drop down. So border is removed. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.